Welcome to my channel TechRubies, and I am really excited to finally have the privilege to put out this learning curve. In this modern time of technology, it's quite difficult for newbies to get a head start into the world of electronics repairs. I've had few years of experience in diverse fields in electronics repairs, and with this few years of mine, I will be glad to take you through an ethical journey to becoming a repair technician from the basics. Whether you're new to the field and looking forward to develop essential personal skills, or perhaps a repair technician as a hobby, with this introductory phase you'll be highly grounded to set out a career path to whether you would want to get specific in being a phone technician, inverter repairs, home appliances and lot more. Here you'll find step-by-step tutorials, practical tips, and insights to help you understand electronics from the basics of repairs to advanced level. In this first series of lessons, we'll walk back through a time travel to learn what has been to what won't change in order to curve through the career path of becoming an electronic repair technician in modern times. And in the coming phase, we'll walk into the component level, by learning to understand basic diagrams, tools, and component testing skills. The goal is to create a straightforward learning path so you can confidently build your skills and advance in the career path. So, let's dive in and get started.